Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Amazon gift card on Roblox. It's really easy and simple guys. Right now I'm on the Roblox homepage, but what you want to do is, instead of roblox.com/home, you want to change this to roblox.com/redeem guys. Go to this page, roblox.com/redeem, and then we're going to see the option of using our gift card. So let this page load up shortly, and I'll show you just how to do it. Or you can use your Amazon gift card. Maybe you got it on your birthday, or you just bought it online. Doesn't really matter, guys. This is how you do it. You just enter the code right here, and you just click redeem. It is that simple, guys. Just put your code, make sure you type it correctly, and click redeem, and it is gonna add Robux to your account instantly, guys. So literally that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, of course, you can subscribe because we have a lot more Roblox videos coming up in the pipeline. Make sure you don't miss out for that.